Hey, this is Dave from ERC here, and as promised, I was going to open this box, the mysterious box. What's in it? Well, it's kind of a rainy day today, so I decided why not go ahead and do it today. There's not much else to do outside. Flying is out, so let's just go ahead and see what's in it. And it's from, you can see right here, this stands for FPV Wing Racing Association. So that's what that means. Somebody guessed that. Of course, you could just look it up online. Okay, let's open it and see what's in it. I was over in Lynchburg, and I just happened to be near Stone Blue Airlines, and some of you guessed that that's where this came from, Stone Blue Airlines. And I think the designer of this wing was Alex Grieve, I believe his name is. And this is just a, it's basically a spec wing, but you could design your own wings following the specs. And if you go onto this site here, it's actually just this right here, FPVWRA.net. You can go there, and I'll put a link under the video, but you can go there and see all the specifications, so you can make your own spec wing if you want. But I just went ahead and bought one. They said it's the last one they had, and it's still a mystery as to who wrote this on here. Jeremiah said he didn't write it on there. Alex could have done it. I don't know. Maybe somebody will tell me. And it is very light. It almost feels like an empty box. But let's go ahead and take a look inside. Yeah, they've got a brand new store over there in Lynchburg, Stone Blue. They moved from the old one that looked kind of like a factory into a nice new store. And I went there to visit. Jeremiah happened to be there, and he said this was the last one. Okay, so here's what's in it. I hope it's all in focus. Let's see what we got. I'm going to pick up this other camera here and get a little closer up. Okay, let's see what we got here. So that looks like maybe that's some carbon fiber or composite rod, just kind of tied in a knot there. I'm sure that's to support the wing. It's hard to believe there was a wing in here. It's just all chopped up in pieces. All right, this feels like I'm just guessing, but it feels like a 3 mil, I'd say it's 3 mil laminating film. So looks like you do have to do some laminating on this job. Yeah, I'm guessing around 3 mil. I don't know. It feels like the 3 mil that I have. All right, now we've got, oh yeah, this is the pack with motor mounts, little winglet things. We got some clevises there and some control rods. So it looks like everything is pretty much provided. I see some horns under there. Yep. And here's the wing. Wow. Now that's strange. Let's get this out of the box here. Just put it out here. Let's see. This probably goes like that. Probably pretty much a no-brainer. Yeah, that goes there, and then this goes here, and then this goes here. And then I guess you gotta provide your own control surfaces here. Unless they're somewhere else. I don't see them. So it looks like you gotta make your own control surfaces out of something. Probably some basswood or balsa wood or something. I'll have to find out about that and see what I got to do. Alright, so there is the wing right there. Taking a look at the wing this way, I've got it laid out next to this yardstick, and you can see it's about 36 inches across from tip to tip. I also found some of this material here to do the elevons, and this is just balsa wood, and it's about 1.5 inches, or it is 1.5 inches wide, and about 3/8 thick on one end and about 1/16 on the other. So I've got that. And these, once you open up the rods, they look about like this right here. That comes in the package. Texsumo is right here. Let's see how that compares. So the Tech Sumo is just a little bit wider. Yeah, and a little bit deeper. So a little bit smaller than the Tech Sumo. This is an Air model sword. Let's see how it compares. Oh yeah. It's almost identical to the Air model sword. Yep, I'm sure the Air model sword doesn't meet spec, but it's really close to this one right here, the Air model sword. So it's about like that size. And I've flown the Air model sword before, and it's a great flying machine. Okay, and I think you see where the Air model sword has these extra little pieces here. I don't believe this has that. I think it just has these here. Let's see, they look like they go on the wing tips like this, which is where I assume they'd go. So I'm going to get together with a friend of mine, Stephen Tanner, and he's already raced these wings before. And he can probably give me some tips on how to best put this together. But I know Alex Grieve has a video on it too, and it's pretty thorough on how to do it. But it'd always be fun to get together with a friend and see what we can find out and maybe do the build. Okay, so we'll get back to you next time. And the next video will probably be some more information on how to put this together, and I'll start gluing it.